Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Then our target street is straight up that way, which we're going to take in a moment. It says Macau, Macau. It's kind of cool as well. Milk tea, lemon, coconut. Then our target street. So that's the barber shop right there. So our target street is right here. Okay, so we're gonna go down this one called Rua do Monte. Before we even go down, this is called Filomena Street. There's some kind of beautiful, brightly lit apartment buildings over that direction. That's called Saint Filomeno. And then this one is Monte. Then you also have these little alleys in here, like this miso. Then this one goes up to Casada do Urocha, and there's a really nice temple right over there too. But actually what we're going to be doing is going into all the crowds, which is directly into this direction, and you can see a lot of tourists that are coming across that way. So we're going to be going directly into that, and this is called Monte Street. So stay tuned and we'll give you a little idea of what this looks like. So okay, so stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. You can kind of see me in the reflection a little bit. That's just for the car so they can turn properly. So what we're going to do is walk down our Monte Street, and we'll say goodbye to all of this. It's kind of some cool photogenic stuff in this area. Nice bike. And some nice artwork too. And I think that one is a barbershop. But what we're going to be doing is walking. So this is Monte Street. Fortaleza de Monte is up the hill. And we're going to be walking between these two, which is São Domingos and Senado Square and Sao Paulo ruins. Then our target street, so that's the barber shop right there. So our target street is right here. Rua do Monte. So let me give a little context. Got a school to the left, Escola Kauyi. Got some more of the little patios and such as well. Very photogenic. Macau is very photogenic. And this little patio goes right down to those kind of colorful buildings that we could see that direction. They're also down that way. Okay. Nice balconies up there. Okay, so we are going to go down. And then we have some other little patios like this. This one has a little yin yang down that way. It's called Beco de Faca. And if you go down there, there's a nice coffee shop. You can't really see it from here, but if you keep going down, it's not the target on my street right now, so check out this blue one. It's a really nice space up there. They got a nice building. I don't know if you can eat up there or not, but maybe. And this one is called Halo. I think that's Filipino one, I think. Halo ice cream. Hello. Coffee shop? That sounds good. Thank you. So a coffee shop, Halo. I think they might also have, I don't know, I think they have maybe Filipino food, because Halo is also, they have something called Halo Halo. This one is fried chicken right there. And then this one says Macau, Macau. It's kind of cool as well. Milk tea, lemon, coconut. Okay, let's keep on going down. And now we're gonna get right into all the people everywhere. And then this space is, I think it's some kind of sonata, but that's actually our street, Rua do Monte, and that goes straight up to the fortress if you went all the way up. But down this way it goes towards São Domingos, which is that direction, and then São Paulo would be the other direction. And São Paulo would go all the way up to that space up that way. Lemon chill. So yeah, we got a lot of crowds today. All kinds of interesting stuff down that way, of course. But we are going to go. We'll kind of stick around this little space. This is a little alley here. I don't know if this alley is connected or not. Let me just see. So this one goes, oh there we go, so Patio de Palha. So this is actually part of Palha Street, Patio. And our target street was right up that way. So this street right here that we're on is called Rua do Palha. So that was Patio Palha, this is Patio Street. Then our target street is straight up that way, which we're going to take in a moment. Let me just kind of go down slightly. So if we go all the way down this way, just kind of go like that. This is Palha Street. It goes to Say, and then it also goes up to Portuguese Consulate, Portuguese Bookstore, and that goes down to Senado Square. And we will stay close to our target street, which is this one. There's also some little, this is called a little patio right in here. So I'm just gonna, this kind of gives you a little bit of context of how Macau is laid out, because there's these little patios and little spaces like this. And if you come in, it's quite quiet. There's a Portuguese guy that has a barber shop down there. Pretty cool. There's an Indian guy at the corner. There's a Japanese one right there. Another little alley there, but this is not our focus. I just want to give you some context of all that's around here. Then we're going to come back here and go back to our focus street. And so the street that we did was this one. So this is Monte Street. And we will end it right at the base of Monte Street. So another little slice of Macau for you. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la mocidinha.